This dual UVA and white LED quadrant ring light from LX Microscopes combines the best of both light sources by producing both white and UVA light. UVA ring lights have several unique applications, from examining conformal coatings, mineral and gemstone observation, counterfeit verification, and forensics analysis as some examples. For this video, we will be examining circuit boards with a conformal coating. The ring light will face us for the purposes of this video. Never for any reason look directly into any LED or UVA ring light. Protective clothing such as long sleeves, gloves, and safety glasses are required at all times for operation. A pair of UVA protective safety glasses is also included with this product. In electronics manufacturing, conformal coatings are used to protect sensitive PCB components from exposure in conditions such as moisture, temperature, solvents, chemicals, corrosion, mold, and dust. This dual UVA and white LED illuminator allows the operator to inspect the sample for defects with white light, and then perform higher magnification inspections of the conformal coating with UVA light to ensure the coating has complete, intact coverage without any gaps or air bubbles. The quadrants on this illuminator help the user counteract shadowing when inspecting their coating. Lower ambient room lighting is also recommended to assist the viewable UVA light. Coatings must be transparent, with uniform color and consistency to cover the PCB and components, as per IPC A610 industry standard. This ring light is proudly made in the United States of America. To learn more and view our other products, visit lxmicroscopes.com.